All right, so I'm here with my good friend, Roy from Citrus County. Roy, how are you doing?
Good, Marlon.
So we are at the NxtGen Masterclass. We're in Orlando. We hosted it between the Celeste Hotel and Rosen College. And what did you think so far?
I got to tell you, without a doubt, probably one of the best spent of my time that I have experienced. I can't tell you how many years. Between our friends from Vulcan, our friends from Butterball, our friends from Woodles, and of course, Marlon and his team there are just incredible. Such information that we could take back to our districts and utilize and make our programs even better. How to film the food that we're showing our kids, how to help market a whole lot better. And then of course, the chefs, the corporate chefs that came and showed us food that we could go ahead and use as a speed scratch. So we're creating exciting recipes for our kids to be able to eat and make it much easier on our staff to have to prepare. So again, these last 2 days, I'm going back with a world of information, and I am so happy that I attended this conference.
I'm happy to hear that. So we had Vulcan, we had J.T.M, we had Butterball and Woodles all come in to do culinary demonstrations, and you guys got to cook with them, right?
Absolutely. That was another experience for myself, who's not a big cooker, but I got my hands dirty in there. I learned a whole heck of a lot. My friend Joe Urban from School Food Rocks, he showed me a few things too. So again, just totally enjoyed myself here, and I can't thank you enough. So my friends in Florida, this is the place to be next year. You need to sign up.
Yeah.
I promise you, it'll be time well spent.
I love it. I love the fact that we had the opportunity to teach you some of the tricks that we use for marketing. So videography, food photography, marketing strategy. And then after you guys got to go through the chef demonstrations and actually create those dishes yourself, you got to use the tips, tricks, and tools to help promote, share these amazing dishes that you guys made.
Absolutely. Again, my friends in Florida, don't miss out on this opportunity next year. Sign up soon.
So,
you won't regret it.
Let me ask you one question. What is the biggest differentiator between what we did here and what you've seen typically done at Attendees?
What you've done here is we're taking it to the level that you see in restaurants, basically, and what they do in magazines to make food just explode off the pages and make you want to eat that food. So teaching us the tricks of the trade with how do you film the food and how you make it more marketable for our kids to want to come in and eat. That was the difference maker for me.
I love it. Roy, thank you so much for the kind words, for all the support, and for being here for your kids.
Thank you for the invite. We truly appreciate it.
All right.